try to become 15 personalities at once. Here's what to. There is a moment when you realize you are not one person anymore. You are trying to be 15. The academic legal student, the disciplined mom, the expert athlete, the deep researcher, the top student, the creator, the mysterious guy, the dark confidence guy, the psychological awareness guy, the spiritual peaceful person, the productivity machine, the neat aspirant, the self-improvement addict. And none of them are real. I am a class 12 student from a village in India. I grew up climbing mango trees, playing Kho Kabaddi with friends, decorating diyas for Diwali, sitting in a chula at my nani house. Now, I am the 44 degrees Celsius in year 8, staring at screen, brain rotting, procrastinating, my grade dropping from 88% in 8th grade in 11 to 68% in 11th, fighting phone addiction for 3 years, and somehow still trying to become Elon Musk while managing meal batches, school exam, and gym. So this video is not about how I fixed everything, it's about the moment I realized I was breaking myself and trying to become everyone at once, and the ones that started rebuilding me. Section 1. The childhood that made me. Let me take you back. I am from a rural place in village where friend group would come together and play for hours. Kho, kabaddi, and we had to go our land and trade fruits from tree and go bear the recess flowers. School event were the most curious thing I love. Diwali decoration, Christmas Day making Rakhi. I had this passion for creative thinking, communication, content building, and stuff with my hands. My father's business were in the early morning with the family. I did not go to bond, but I enjoyed with my family. And then there was my house where me and my cousins would stay there, watch movies, play, rest, eat, use device. And there was a July garden with planted trees. We had go out on a scooty with mama. That was slowly being social pleasant. But then the phone came and it became the biggest time killer. Section 2. Went into the brain rot. Here's what nobody tells you about screen time. Most people don't know the consequences, but I'm telling you, this can destroy our future generation. It causes low mood. You are depressed by being alone whole day without hanging out with friends, fatigue, stress, procrastination. School day left, and then I stand again against it. Take action with a blocker, friend, accountability, and this cycle continues sometimes up, sometimes down. My brain chemicals are the biggest threat right now. Hot weather, 44 degrees Celsius, where I live, but that's nothing compared to the heat inside my head when I scroll for 6 hours straight. I tried to learn skill communication, content creation, video editing, gaming, especially Free Fire. I made videos on TikTok in 2019 on my brother's and mama's account in Nitin Pavitra. But here's the thing, I was trying to be 15% at once. Academically, the disciplined monk, aesthetic athlete, deep researcher, top student, creator, mysterious guy, top confident, psychological, spiritual, peaceful, productivity, machine, neat aspirant, self-improvement, fundamental. That's not ambition, that's wandering. And curiosity breaks if you don't get reward. Hit gym, read book, do 10 chapters in one day. That's fantasy, bro. It results in exhaustion. Let's dive into the section 3, the academic dress. Let me show you the number. 8th grade, 88%. School plus coaching plus self-study, everything aligned. 9th grade, 78%. Last minute marathon, starting to slip. 10th grade, 82%. Joined a batch but inconsistent and last attended marathon and next toppers. Still manageable. 11th, 68%. Plus inconsistent due to reason I will tell you. Currently in 12th, managing now, planning for 90 plus. I started avoiding studies because I was unable to get small wins. I relapse on phone, no clear direction, no accountability, no pressure. And here's why I collapse in this. Here is the conflict. In 10th grade, I visualized myself with an Aston Martin DB11 friend group, earning early, and I write my future letter I thought I had to take commerce and become a CA, but due to the bad thoughts and ongoing pressure from my parents, I neglected pursuing that class as I had to take PCB. Almost all PCB subjects felt big to me. I could not follow school and coaching consistently. I studied without intention, started practicing, nothing remembered. That's when I quit. Sometimes I had watched live webinar, exercise, do it, tune challenge for changing yourselves and thought pattern. Get confused between subject and person becomes a problem. Go to bed, eat food, many as always, online batches. Procrastination became a major problem. Then mental issues started to happen. My study system worked someday and mostly not because of burnout. Forgetting why I had started, staying consistent became impossible. Schedule change, choosing which batch to study first, second, or third, going to school or not, timetable changes, webinars attended like manifestation by Ankit Mira. And this was the worst phase of my life where I was destroying myself. Emotions plus pressure plus dopamine baseline got hijacked by anger. Come to section 4, the relationship lessons. Here's my personal experience I am sharing. Relationship taught me that lessons I did not want to learn. If you are self-aware and study about it, you realize most school relationship can't stay long enough. Exceptions exist, but most don't. I misunderstood most time about myself. People say people kill your feelings and ask why did you change? But here's what I realized: I had not built myself, so how can I do for somebody else? And the most coming thing that nobody in this universe can love you unconditionally. Human love is based on need, relatives, ages, and your friends. I noticed an emotional pattern. If any person talks to you, you stay focused in their relation. Positive energy aura creates around you, and your mental state starts to manage happy, joy, good work, calm, and everything just like God. And if that's person physical body is around you, you notice it, your walking style, perspective, talking style, you feel warmth at your heart like someone gave you a hug. In this case, you lose stress, anxiety. If someone stays and genuinely care about you, yourself next opportunity. But it's not up to you. I was talking about me. At some moment, they left you. You started in the face of guilt, frustration, mood low, sad, then bad habit and negative energy will cover you. That result, you forget who you was. You get stuck in this loop of destroying yourselves, and when that person comes back, your confidence loses. You can't make eye contact. Even to the person, that person assumed he lost interest. He was that's different. Then you think, I will build myself, then go up to them. But now, without that positivity, you can't outperform better and never reach to the them. And if this actually now, I don't want any type of weak, insecure, hesitant, underconfident girl. Never. I wanna someone has a very shallow thinking level, generous, peaceful voice. I wanna sometime we can rely on each other for support, care, help, financial, emotional stability. Why match is the ultimate reason. I wanna share my whole life with her memories, feeling, moments freely. And I have also dreamed to go hundreds of countries, travel many times. Those people who does not serve you detachments is the ultimate reason for peace. And at that time, now it's come to section 5, the turning point. Turning point came at this moment where the song comes with full trust and ambitious goals at your level. Then both grow together, we can call it best friend. After making thousands of mistakes, a person fills with negative hardship, story, point, then he decided to quit this or change. I realized something crucial. Dreams are not meant to be static, dreams are directional. Become the person you want to become. I learned about it in course YouTube. It works, manifestation works. Create your current life every area, morning, day, night, for your ideal vision and execute. My God is this. Always depend on yourselves, never on others. So you don't have time to criticize others. If you focus on you improving yourselves, your character will be defined by what you do when no one is watching. At last, come to your thoughts are the most important things that define your entire life, and this is the thing you have totally control of. Identity shift equal to shift your reality. Discipline comes when you have a full system of your controlled environment. Structural facility, pressure, accountability, joy, reward, achievement, faith, patience, hope, will, ego. But as a human, all of that can't be at one same time. You know, Christian story. Listen to her, look at your ideal version, how they act, make identity aligned with that. Execute, no excuse. That's how you can shift your reality. Come to section 6, the brain rot reality. Let's talk about the real enemy. Internal actions, brain rot, stuff, external noise, traffic, classmate, negative self-talk, member who are watching TV affect you, fake content that was actually killing your focus. It affects your present self and changes your belief time to time according to them. That's why you need to review your thoughts every day in journal. Regulate your emotions level. If you're suffering from day-to-day life trauma, go for breathing framework. Overstimulation. Feels like I have to do nothing in this life. It's not looking meaningful. Results diet, failed, backlog, created of 500 plus lectures, learning feels heavy, overwhelming situation on life, and your confidence level will go, patience on instant gratification turns in affect badly, urge to check your phone increasingly in escape boredom, and your social presence got my bad habits that made my brain was negative self-talk, caring about what other people think, thinking about single person match, browsing, gaming addictions, your ego, sleep at night due to the study instead of open YouTube. Digital detox. Digital system works when you travel without your phone, use blockers, delete social media and away from your phone, live with like-minded people and join a community where you learn valuable things and you have accountability partner and controlled environment of your social media presence. Low stimulation help me deep dive into the hard thing like long study sessions. Uninterrupted focus, and you can develop it through mindfulness. How to engage with meaningful activities. Candle focus, fixed sleep, Sattvic eat, learn from YouTube, practice boredom. Now let's come to the section 7, the physique obsession. I want to talk to you. I care about my physique because I have to escape and I have a vision to look confident, muscular, rich like a dinosaur. Social gathering, when I look in mirror, it makes me feel that something I have most people doesn't have. Popular traits, some uncertainty drive. Because if me and my GM got stuck somewhere, but some people attacks ourselves, so I can take advantages of my body. Some have it ruined my consistency, pressure and overload of academics, studies, exams, late wake up and structured planning, roadmap, environment and cold weather, social circle. I am building a strong body aesthetic boost energy, testosterone, confidence level because I actually noticed my energy level when I went to school gathering event, but somehow I am unable to talk there because my friend left school and there is less bonding to her. After all, I feel more magnetic. I want to enhance my body like I saw. I was in class 4 when my friend did this said his favorite actor was Section 8, the creator channel. I want to create content because in 8th grade I got my channel viral, but due to the other video uploading I quit from that day. That time and some people destroyed it. And I need purpose in life, so I focus on growth mindset, learning new things consistently, focus removes on cheap pleasure and actually building something powerful that leads your people of your own and use side hustles, manage hobbies, journal, exercise. So deep. I was influenced by the creator like Aaron Method and Pratyaksh or as a latest friend. Because in MBBH, I feel natural type of video like studying festivals and content, podcast of us, aesthetics or like shining a girl we see so much beautiful. The fear of stopping me from posting is perfectionism. Next, you know that how my circumstances after ignoring me, child, since childhood, lots of excuses. One message to my audience: just focus on becoming best version of yourself, taking action just if you wonder every week. But how? But how I build myself? Make yourself any type of who you currently are. To focus takes some deep and long life learning. Using the direction is ambitions. I am in 12th grade working for goals. Need this is my own goal and this is not my own goal. And this is due to the reason I hired this up to me. But I have to face many hurdles in my days. Fatigue due to the morris minimum of lecture, constant study for hours a day, and school exam and batches other than rush. And I dream about and my vision is highly intelligent person. Through he learned many skills, courses, 8,000 of goals, inspiring other and as a big company where many programs launched for people so they can acquire knowledge, improve and grow in their life, business and all areas of their whole life. Pandemic and all is trying to and this can be a revolutionary change in our history. It can change in a pattern of life. But I think this is not gonna happen if I continue to study for need furthermore. Also have to grow myself and make wise people grow up and then we can go this area anymore. My future vision. Dream big, work hard, think more, achieve more, never hurt anybody. I'm not a guru, I'm not a perfect. I'm a real trying to rebuild his life with awareness. And if you're watching this, you're probably doing the same. That's it, that's the journey. Bye guys.